Hey everyone, I'm Ryan. I'm the website manager and also sometimes stream manager for Phoenix PC, and I'm here with my friend Nathan.
Hello, I'm Nathan. I've played PC for a couple years and I've had a couple issues with my PC. This is my first PC that I've built. Hopefully we can get to the bottom of why it's messing up.
When you buy Phoenix, you buy local.
You know, some people, they're just chuck parts in there, and if it works, it works. And you know, that's fine, as you know, cable management isn't for everyone. But at the same time, you know, I'm seeing we got this loose SSD here. You know, we've got this thing.
That's my RGB controller.
RGB controller. You know, definitely we can, I'm seeing a lot of stuff where I can very easily clean it up, make it look really nice. Plan of attack is probably just disassemble. Realistically, you know, sometimes you want to do the least amount of work as possible, but really sometimes with like cable management, it's for the best if you just kind of disassemble, give yourself a relatively clean slate. And I see you have maybe a little bit of a rough clearance situation with your RAM.
Oh yeah, they barely don't touch.
Let's get this dust filter. So yeah, you can see there's like a tiny bit of dust in there. This is super easy to get out.
Hold that.
Apparently you don't want to just let your fans freely spin whenever you're blowing it out with canned air, because it can rotate it faster than it's, you know, rated to rotate, and it can cause some problems depending on, I think, the bearing type. Okay, here's the majority of your computer right here. Really, I pretty much disassembled more or less the whole thing. I think the only thing I didn't put hands on really was the power supply. Took out his SSD that he had just kind of flopped around in the front here. We moved that, and yeah, and overall just kind of cleaned up some of these wires. Before this back fan, the wire was zip tied to the top here. I went around the long way, and so now you can just see this little bit of wire here, and it's kind of tucked between these I/O modules right there. And even the, you know, Corsair AIO, now it just looks like this one cable that you can not really see too much, and instead of the two distinct wires and having them going the long way back there. But yeah, I got that controller there, and unfortunately we couldn't hook it up to the motherboard for him, but he's happy with the controller, so that makes me happy with the controller. And yeah, here's that SSD, that's where it went. So yeah, now it won't be flopping around the case, and it's nice and secure back here. And also got the Commander double-sided taped to right there, to that kind of mounting point. If you like this kind of attention to detail with the cable management, check us out at phoenixpcs.com. That's PHYNIXS.com. And yeah, check us out. We'd love to build for you.